Hello my angels, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you don't know, my name is Tania and today I'm gonna create the Christmas special makeup look. There will be beautiful golden glittery eyes paired with gorgeous red lips. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell button so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. So guys, if you want to know how I create this look, please keep watching. Well, today I'm gonna use this eyeshadow palette by Root Cosmetics and the name of the palette is Too Much Drama. Well, now I'm taking this shade right here and this shade is really close to my skin tone and I'm blending the shade on my eyelids. And I'm just creating the base for my eye makeup so that when I put the color it looks really vivid. And right now I'm taking this warm brown shade and I'm applying the shade around my crease line and I'm kind of drawing a wing on the outer corner and I'm blending it well so that there's no harsh line. And I'm just making sure the color gets blended well. And right now I'm gonna apply this deeper brown shade. I'm applying this shade on the outer corner to intensify the color so that I get the perfect dimension. And I'm just blending the shade well so that everything looks smooth and nice. And right now I'm applying this beautiful coppery golden shade and it's a glitter shade by the way, and I'm applying it on my eyelids and I used MAC Fix Plus to make the glitter shade even more intense. And right now I'm blending the glittery shade well so that the color gets blended well. And right now I'm highlighting the inner corners of my eyes and I'm using the Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate highlighter. And right now I'm highlighting my brow bones as well. And I'm using the same highlighter. And right now I'm using the kohl pencil by Plum Nature Studio and I'm applying it on my upper waterline and also on my lower waterline. And right now I'm again applying this deeper brown shade on my lower lash line. And I'm blending the shade well with the black kohl so that it gives me a smudgy look. Well, my eye makeup is almost complete and right now it's time for the eyeliner and I'm using this gel eyeliner by Maybelline New York. And right now I'm drawing a wing, and I'm just trying to make it sharp. And right now I'm drawing a thin line. And right now I'm applying the gel eyeliner on the inner corner as well, so that it looks sharp. The eyeliner part I have done already, and right now it's time for the blush, and I'm applying the blush from Revlon, and this is in the shade Classy Coral. I'm applying it on the apples of my cheeks and also a little bit on my nose, so that it gives me a rosy look. And right now I'm highlighting my cheekbones, and this is the same highlighter by Makeup Revolution. Applying it on the cheekbones, on the bridge of my nose, on the tip of my nose, on my forehead, on my cupid's bow, and also on my chin. Well, right now I'm gonna apply the mascara by Maybelline Neo. This is the Lash Sensational Mascara, and I'm applying it on the upper lash line, and I'm using 2 or 3 coats to make my lashes longer and thicker. And right now I'm applying the mascara on my lower lash line. I have already applied the falsies, and now it's time for the lipstick. Today I'm gonna use this red matte lipstick by Too Faced. This is the melted matte lipstick by Too Faced in the shade Lady Balls, and this is such a gorgeous red color. And right now I'm applying this lipstick. So guys, this is the final look. So this is it for today's video. Merry Christmas everyone. Enjoy your festival and stay safe during this pandemic. I'll meet you all soon guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.